tested once again against another PBA team, that is the Converge Fiber Extra. So that is the game at hand for tonight. So let's turn over to our game announcer, Leroy Salarda.
And at the other forward, wearing jersey number 27, Kate Caralibio. And wearing jersey number 15, and the center, the man in the middle, Justin Arana. The man in the middle, wearing jersey number 25, Mike Phillips. And forward
Contra sa De La Salle Green Archers. So the defending UAAP champions will battle it out against another PBA team. And here we go. Brian Santos and Phillips jumping up. And the first possession will go to the De La Salle Green Archers. So for the Green Archers, they lost to Rainer Shine by 106 to 105. But nevertheless, Kevin Kiambao still showing out big time with 21.7 rebounds of 4 of 8 from 3-point line.
first team foul.
Yan ang pinakitang performance ng reigning MVP sa UAAP.
That's right. He had a great start last night, no? Back-to-back threes for KQ.
Oo. Almost interception, but good catch by Kevin Kiambao. Abadam! And there's the rebound by Alex Stockton. Fresh up a 32-point night against the Phoenix Fuel Masters. That shot missed by Brian Santos. Good hustle by JL De Los Santos. Bullet pass. Brian Santos back to Justin Arana in the paint. Mintis yung tira. Another offensive rebound, this time from De Los Santos. Alex Stockton now manning the offense for Converge. 5 to shoot. De Los Santos kicks it out. Brian Santos left corner shot. Mintis. And a rebound secured by Michael Phillips and Kevin Kiambao. And JC Makalalag will set things up for the La Salle Green Archers. Gusto nila makabawi after a close loss to Rainer Shine. Makalalag. 3-pointers missed. And here comes JL De Los Santos, their point guard, coming from the Jose Rizal University mula sa NCAA. Now against the younger Lian Ramiro. Ibigay kang Justin Arana with a monster performance last night with 28 points and 11 rebounds. Double team. Has to kick it out. Fadeaway shot. Yes! First field goal for JL De Los Santos.
Finally, 2 points, no?
And somebody is down for Converge. I think that was, let's see, I think that was Justin Arana. I know. That's actually King Caralipio.
Offensive foul.
As that was an offensive foul against Michael Phillips.
First personal foul on Mike.
Yeah, who had a good game last night, King Caralipio.
That's right. Itong si King Caralipio had almost a double-double, 9 points and 10 rebounds.
Yes, he has been sniping last night.
Oo. I think he was perfect on 3-point line as that shot goes. First shot for Alex Stockton. An efficient ball game for Alex Stockton, shooting 12 of 21 from the field last night. Another offensive rebound for Michael Phillips. Goes to work against Justin Arana. Top hook shot. Wala. At mapunta kang Abadam. New 14 for La Salle. Phillips goes to work against Arana. Double team. Has to kick it out down to 4. Look at that pressure defense from Converge. Kiambao from way out. Malakas yung 3-point attempt and rebound secured by Alex Stockton. Playing college basketball for the FEU Tamarao sa UAAP. Now Stockton taking his time at the point guard position. Justin Arana. Kontra Michael Phillips. Cross-court feed. Brian Santos from the corner. His 3-pointer is good. Brian Santos with a 17-point night against Phoenix, including 2 3-point shots kagabi.
Yeah, we'll see a lot of those 3-point baskets here in this game.
Felix hands it off to Earl Abadam. Kiambao will try again. 0 for 2 from the 3-point country. So still an empty trip for La Salle. They're still scoreless in the opening quarter. Another corner. Second straight 3 for Brian Santos and a quick timeout by Coach Topex Robinson. It's a problem to start for La Salle.
Well, they're missing their shots, no? But of course, atong Converge naman, they're pushing up the tempo. They're La Salle, they're failing to defend on the fast break, so they're down 10-0 early.
At isang problema din for LaSalle, hindi maganda yung simula yung in terms of their rotation on defense. Kaya nakalibre sa 3 si Brian Santos who hit 2 early shots from 3.
That's right, no? Oh, hindi mo na siguro ma-frustrate, relax lang.
I mean, there's still, early part sa ating
Right.
first half.
I think I heard Coach Topic mentioned earlier about possessions, no? So one possession at a time, tsagain lang natin tsagain lang nila yung deficit na to.
And a hard foul from Justin Arana. And an exchange of sportsmanships between the big man, Arana and Phillips.
That's right.
So first trip at the foul line for LaSalle, that's Michael Phillips.
For the Fiber Xers.
I mean, last night LaSalle has been down early as well, no?
Oo.
Again, like we talked about last night, the fight back from LaSalle.
Mm.
So I think we will expect another one this coming remainder of the first quarter.
So that is the expectations, especially if you're Converge. I'm pretty sure they have seen the game replay last night. Yung matchup sa LaSalle kontra sa Rain or Shine. And there's the first point from Michael Phillips, 1 for 2 from the line. As Phillips had 13 points and 11 rebounds last night for the De La Salle Green Archers.
The familiar press from De La Salle.
De Los Santos back out. Justin Arana goes into the basket, but he has to stop. One-handed shot. Yes!
Justin Arana.
Had an efficient night for Justin Arana. 11 of 15 from the field.
Yes.
Ito, tumatakbo na ang Converge. Arana barging his way to the basket. Mintis nga lang. It's 12-1 is the start. Abadam, wala. Plenty of empty trips for LaSalle down on the other end.
Minamadali nila yung possessions eh.
And a good hustle by Kevin Kiambao as he got the steal from Justin Arana. Makalalag. Nice setup. And there's
Yun.
the first field goal for Lian Ramiro.
Lian Ramiro.
So good fast break play for LaSalle on their first field goal of the ball game.
Double.
Instead, bibigay kang King Caralipio. His first 3 is missed.
There you go. One possession at a time.
Kevin Kiambab, bibigay kang Lian Ramiro. Cross court. John Makalalag. Kontra kang JL De Los Santos with 13 on the shot clock. Fade away shot, malakas. And rebound by King Caralipio who played college basketball for the Letran Knights sa NCAA. And De Los Santos taking his time and a moving screen against Justin Arana.
The referees has been really consistent in calling those plays. I mean, calling those fouls.
Second personal.
Very sharp eyes from the referees
Yes.
mula sa Philippine Basketball Association.
They have been very consistent. Kagabi pa yun, every time may ganong klaseng screen,
Oo.
konting extension lang, again, immediately, they would call that
Offensive foul. So very sharp eyes from our referees tonight. Dito pa sa ating second game ng ating Kadayawan Invitational Basketball Tournament 2024. Makalalag taking his time. Now Raven Cortez playing his first action sa ating first quarter. Here comes CJ Austria now coming off the bench and the shot is no good. Santos with the easy rebound. Now Stockton on the open court against Abadam. Entry pass to Justin Arana. Kontra kang Raven Cortez. Quick spin inside using a series of fakes and some contact underneath, a foul against Raven Cortez.
Fouls in jersey numbers.
And Justin Arana with a superb evening, like what we said earlier, had 28 points from Justin Arana.
Justin Arana.
But at the foul line, he's shooting 6 of 12 last night.
50%, no? He was playing an import-like.
Oo, import-like
game.
numbers,
Yes, yes.
In fact, si Arana and Stockton combined for 60 points out of 132.
Grabe, no? Almost half of the scoring of Converge.
From the two players, Arana and Stockton. And they're still playing, I think, without their import Scotty Hobson as
That's
of the
right.
moment.
Yeah.
So 11 na po ang kalamangan ng Converge Fiber Xers. Austria now in the paint. So good ball movement by LaSalle. They're looking for another open shot. Makalalag squeaks in and Cortez gets the cleanup job for 2.
LaSalle needs to continue their execution. No? Again, be solid on defense and execute well again on offense. Just be patient. They'll catch up.
That's for sure, especially for Coach Topex Robinson. And Shawnee Winston, the former Lasallian, hits a three-point shot.
That's a way to do it, no, in front of your former team.
Oo. Right in front of the bench pa ng Lasal.
Exactly.
Austria, coast baseline, has to kick it back out. That's Golyena for three and a foul.
I think the basket will count here.
Tingnan natin. So the referees will go to the replay monitor na nasa ating table. So they're going to check if that three goes for Eli Golyena rather, who had 14 points on 6 of 9 shooting. There's Coach Aldin Ayo ng Converge, having a storied career even in college basketball with Letran sa NCAA at sa Lasal, and of course UST sa UAAP.
Correct, no? Still very young.
Oo. Sa mga, among one of the smartest and brightest basketball
Brightest minds, correct.
Oo, in Philippine basketball sa ngayon. So the referees are still checking at the monitor if that three-point shot will count.
Yeah, we have a lot to learn from Coach Aldin, no?
Oo. So as he's giving some instructions to Shawnee Winston, Alex Stockton, and King Caralipio. Great qualities from Coach Aldin Ayo. A lot of achievements throughout his coaching career in both the NCAA, UAP, and even now in the PBA.
Yeah, decorated actually, Coach.
Well-decorated career na.
Basket count, a three-point basket from EJ Golyena.
So basket will count for Eli Golyena.
The Green Archers, CJ Austria.
At matawagan ng personal foul against CJ Austria.
During dead ball.
So with that situation, that means a free throw for Alex Stockton. So basket will count for Lasal. That's Eli Golyena.
And a technical from Austria. After the dead ball.
After the dead ball situation.
Or during the dead ball.
During the dead ball, yes, okay. Stockton hits the free throw. So coming into the ball game for Lasal, that's Matthew Rubico for the De La Salle Green Archers. Sa mga bagong recruits ni Coach Topex Robinson. Comes Alex Stockton, trying to continue to lead the charge for the Converge Fiber Xers. Brian Santos kontra kang Kevin Cambao, goes to work, and a whistle and an offensive foul. Yes, against Brian Santos, his first foul of the game.
Offensive foul, jersey number 26.
I think Brian Santos was surprised there on that last play against KQ.
He looked puzzled, no?
Oo, mukhang nagulat siya. Bakit siya natawagan ng offensive foul? Anyways, action continues for Lasal. It's 18-8 for the Converge Fiber Xers. Cortez off the handoff. That's Eli Golyena. Launches for three. Knocks it down. Second three of the ball game for Eli Golyena.
That's right.
EJ Golyena.
6 points in the quarter.
Dahan-dahan, Lasal is finding their groove.
So
in this game.
Yeah, unti-unti nang natatapyasan yung kalamangan ng Converge. King Caralipio from the right corner. And Kevin Cambao on the run. Eli Golyena on the touchdown for two.
EJ Golyena.
8 points in the first quarter.
Iba talaga, young legs, no? Mabilis.
Maliliksik kumbaga. Shawnee Winston down in the paint. His first field goal of the ball game.
Familiar jumper.
Yung comfortable spot ni Shawnee Winston, yung
That's
mid-range
right.
shot.
The correct, no? Nakita natin yung kagabi.
That's right, against Phoenix. On a high-scoring affair na umabot pa ng overtime. CJ Austria hits a three.
EJ Austria for three.
And that's the first three for CJ Austria. Having a great contribution for CJ Austria. Had 9 points and 2 rebounds and 4 assists. Stockton on the getaway, but he called for the offensive foul. Mukhang nagbago na yung momentum in favor of Lasal this time.
Personal foul on Alec.
You think,
They've been-
Coach?
They've been patient really, Reno.
Oo.
In terms of defending and of course executing their play. Shots aren't falling now for
Oo.
of course for Converge. Again, kudos to credit to the defense of De La Salle.
So now coming into the ball game for LaSalle, that's Mason Amos with good contribution last night on his first game as a LaSalle player. As Mason Amos had 11 points on 5 of 7 from the field. Rubico now on the free throw line. Nice setup to Raven Cortez, goes on the reverse.
Like I said, patience, no? So, with that play, as well as yung tatlong 3 points, dalawa kay Guliena, isa kay Austria.
And it's now a 2-point game. Kung kanina, Coach Cholo, it was a 10-0 start for Converge. Shawnee on the drive, counted and won.
For Shawnee Winston.
Shawnee Winston going aggressive in the first quarter.
26.
That's right. But good response from De La Salle players, no, for making this comeback.
Oo.
Bonus free throw for Shawnee Winston.
So a good turnaround in the last couple of minutes in the first quarter. So Shawnee Winston will try to complete his 3-point play. And rebound by Raven Cortez. Kasama niya si Rubico, Amos, Austria, and Goliena. That's the 5 on the floor for Coach Topex Robinson. Now Austria service the floor. Now against Pat Madenberg, quick spin. That basket goes and one.
DJ Austria.
Trying to continue his contribution for the De La Salle Green
He's
Archers.
just having fun. Itong si Austria, no? Tawa-tawa lang. Relax na relax ng batang to.
It's all about the patience. Yung sinabi mo, Coach Cholo, and it has paid dividends this time after that early timeout ni Coach Topex Robinson.
Right, that's right. So, again, credit to Coach Topex.
Bonus shot. Couldn't get it to go, and rebound secured by Inad Fornillos, number 0 ng Converge. Shawnee Winston goes on the run. Has to kick it out. That's Kevin Racal. Spots up, no. Offensive rebound by Fornillos. Converge playing all Filipino tonight. And the shot goes off the wing. That's a 20-foot shot for Shawnee Winston.
The oohs and the ahs from the crowd.
Amos down in the paint, and his first field goal
Mason
for Mason Amos.
Good response from Mason.
Trying to make his contributions for the De La Salle Green Archers. And here comes BJ Andrade. Back to Kevin Racal, using a series of fakes as he draws the foul. And that is the first foul of the game for Mason Amos.
13, Mason Amos. First personal foul on Mason. 2 free throws for Kevin Racal.
And
I think maganda yung matchup na to, Ray, no? Kasi
Oo.
looking at both coaches, itong si Coach Topex
Yeah.
tsaka si Coach Aldin, they are fast-paced, no? Yung gusto nila, no?
oh, yan na nakita natin na yung first two games kahapon, very fast-paced offense for these two teams.
Correct. As well as defending, no? Maganda yung also pinapakita na defensive strategy itong si Coach Aldin.
That's right. So approaching 2 minutes remaining sa ating first period. Austria. He stops. Bibigay ka nga Mason Amos kontra kang Kevin Racal. Rubico will try for 3. And he goes in and out. And rebound by Fornillos. Kasama niya si Winston, Racal, Magdenberg, and Andrade. That's the 5 on the floor. Strong move by Winston. Wala. And rebound secured by Mason Amos.
Rubico did not back down there. He really fought for that possession.
And that's a good sign if you're the youngsters at
Yes,
LaSalle.
that's true.
And we have another foul against Converge Fiber Xers.
Yeah, I've been observing this LaSalle squad, no. Kahit sino palaruin mo, ganun pa rin talaga yung type ng basketball makikita mo sa kanila eh. So it's basically the system, the coaching of Coach Topex.
Oh, following the system kumbaga
That's right.
from Coach Topex Robinson. And that is the reason why they won the championship last season sa UAP. It was a hard-fought battle against the University of the Philippines Fighting Maroons. Mabot ng 3 games yun, Coach Cholo.
That's right.
And of course, Kevin Kiambao was the finals MVP sa UAP. Another great campaign for Kevin Kiambao. He was the season MVP and finals MVP nung season 86. As Goliena goes 1 for 2 from the line. So 25-23. So dikit na ating labanan, Coach Cholo.
Oo.
With 90 seconds remaining. Andrade has to kick it out. Kevin Racal straight away. And Magdenburg. And will draw a foul.
Racal has been missing, ano?
Medyo malamig yung shooting range niya to start the first quarter.
Fouls in jersey number 16, CJ Austin.
And Austria commits the personal foul.
First personal foul on
It's been raining in Davao daw kasi Ray, malamig. Sabi ni Racal, no?
So 2 shots coming up for Pat Magdenburg, playing college basketball for the Ateneo de Manila Blue Eagles. So you have Ateneo and LaSalle among the top basketball programs collegiately dito sa ating bansa.
Yeah. I like this guy, Patrick Magdenburg.
Has that wide frame, pero he's not gonna produce a lot of points, but yung mga intangibles of his game
Correct.
really making an impact for Converge as they won by 5 in overtime against Phoenix. Cortez hands it off to Goliena. There's a series of screens for LaSalle. Looks to Cortez kontra Magdenburg.
You know, see? Very active hands
Oh,
for his frame.
and we're down to 2 on the shot clock though. Rubico
Good defense.
has to fire and hits. And that's a 3. Was that a 3? Yes. The referee
It
says
was a
signal.
three.
Yes, the referee signaled it as a 3-point shot.
A bailout shot.
Oo. Bonus shot yun 27 to 26 for Converge. And a foul called against CJ Austria. And I believe that's his second. Let's see.
One, JC Bacalalag. Correction.
So 38 seconds remaining. As LaSalle, with no more fouls to give.
Correction, jersey number 16, CJ Austria.
So a tight contest between Converge and LaSalle.
Very animated guy,
Oo,
light-hearted, and sobrang saya kasama.
that's for sure. Off the inbounds, here comes BJ Andrade coming off the timeout as he hits the 3.
Ready for 3.
It's now 30 to 26 for Converge. Ogana, his first shot, Mintis. And it's a 2-second difference between the shot clock and the game clock. Shawnee Winston goes to work. Now looks at the clock. Still plenty of time for Converge to make a good shot to end the first quarter. Look at that aggressive defense. Mula kang Marasigan. Shawnee in the paint. The shot is no good. Down to 4 seconds. Phillips has to hurry. Ogana with 1 second at the buzzer. That won't work. What has been a tight race between Converge and De La Salle at the end of the first quarter.
26.
As the Converge Fiber Xers with a 30 to 26 lead at the end of the first quarter. Pro against La Salle, pero maganda yung pinakitang adjustments ng La Salle at the end of the first quarter.
That's correct, no? So,
Second quarter.
hindi magpapatalo tong LaSalle
Oo.
hanggang sa huli, no? So,
Just like yung kagabi against Rain or Shine, Coach Cholo, di ba?
good response.
Nice
from the
pick and
players of
roll.
LaSalle. Wow!
And Pat Magdenburg, his first basket of the ball game.
Yeah, long strides from Patrick Magdenburg.
Now here comes Amos on the other side. Phillips. So we have a little bit of a two-man game. Phillips down in the paint using a series of fakes.
Beautiful.
Great body control for Michael Phillips.
Yes.
So yung athleticism na pinakita, yung flexibility ni Michael Phillips.
That's right.
Able to manufacture that shot.
Mahirap na tira yun.
Talaga, tama ka dyan, Coach. Especially if you're 6'8" na si Mike Phillips.
First team foul.
Winasiwas,
Three
no?
Archers.
Oo. Pinagpag yung depensa, no?
Correct.
Substitution for Converge.
At babalik sa ball game si Justin Arana. A great first quarter for him, just like last night. So Justin Arana was the NCAA Defensive Player of the Year. Here comes Magdenburg. Now kasama niya si Winston, Andrade, Fornilios at Arana. That's the 5 on the floor for Converge.
Grabe yung handles itong si Shawnee, no?
Elite handles indeed for the guard.
Great front defense for Phillips. Fronting Arana.
Sikip na ang depensa. Fornilios with 2 to shoot. Gets away. Shot will not count as he commits the offensive foul. And a great response after yung early timeout ni Coach Topek Robinson.
First personal foul, Anina.
So a lot of encouraging signs if you're Coach Topex Robinson ng Lasal.
Gusto ko yung ginawa ni Coach Topex kanina eh. Interesting. 10-0. He just stepped out and walked and took a deep breath and then biglang nag-instruct sa mga players and that fueled them to make this huge comeback.
As Amos hits a 3-point shot, make that 5 points in the first half for Mason Amos.
Down by 1 na lang ngayon.
And look at that pressure defense ng Lasal dito sa ating second quarter. Winston has to make an extra effort here. Santos fade away, malakas. And Arana with the putback, but that will not count. Another foul against Converge.
Loose ball.
So loose ball foul, that's right, against
Loose ball foul, offensive foul, jersey number 15, Justin Arana.
Justin Arana with the foul. Pangilang foul na ba si Arana? Let's see.
That's the
Third personal foul for Justin Arana. So early foul trouble na.
That's right.
Yung premier big man ng Converge.
This might be costly for Converge, no?
Oo.
Kasi he has been spectacular
That's right.
so far for Converge.
Ogana. That was way off. Good contest though mula kang BJ Andrade.
Really applauding his players, no? Itong si Coach Topex. Even from an air ball, still applauding.
Oh,
Still very positive, no?
he's an optimist kumbaga yung style of coaching ni Coach Topex, really motivating the players to continue to make some winning plays, lalo na dito sa loob ng USEF Gymnasium.
Right.
So hats off to Coach Topex as he was the champion sa season 86 with Lasal. A nice fake by Stockton. Arana in the paint against Phillips.
Excellent defense from LaSalle. Team defense.
Now Stockton and a strip by Phillips.
Ganda ng strip.
Phillips on the
Here we
foot
go.
all the way.
Oh!
Woo! What an athletic play for Michael Phillips.
Check the rim, Ray. It might be broken.
The rim is still shaking dito sa loob ng USEF Gymnasium. Oh my
Wow.
goodness.
Thunderous slam from Phillips. I can't wait to see the replay here.
And here it is, hatid sa inyo ng The Royal Monday Hotel, and there's that athletic jam for Michael Phillips. And the crowd has fired up dito sa loob ng University of Southeastern Philippines Gymnasium.
Power jam. I like this Phillips guy. Very
And it's now a
aggressive,
1-point lead for Lasal and a quick answer for Brian Santos. So, bigla na lang naglamang ang Converge, up by 1, 34-33.
Phillips has been the glue guy for LaSalle.
And the crowd is still buzzing with that jam mula kang Phillips.
There you go again. Phillips is there.
And battling his way inside against Arana.
Ganda ng
Top
footwork. Oh.
shot. Mintis nga lang. And here comes Alex Stockton for Converge. JL Del Santos inside to Arana. Able to receive the pass. One-hander is good.
Justin Arana.
So hindi rin magpapatalo dito si Justin Arana.
Showing his wares also, no?
Oo. Amos, quick double team.
Gandang double yun.
But a foul called against Converge. So 2 shots coming up for the former Gilas youth player, Mason Amos. Here's our replay atin sa inyo ng Genesis 88 to construction. So a good catch for Justin Arana using some ball fake and gets the 2 over the outstretched arms rather of Michael Phillips.
Bihira lang yung mga big man na nagpa-floater eh.
I think Junmar Fajardo also
Yes,
does
that's right.
those kinds of shots.
Jokic.
Jokic ng NBA.
Jersey number 2, Boris Marasigan for Bahrain language.
At natawagan ng technical against Voris Marasigan. So there's Marasigan as he committed the technical foul. So free throw coming up for Alex Stockton.
Alex Stockton.
Trying to re-establish his rhythm dito sa ating second quarter. He had 32 points last night for Converge as they lead the charge on their overtime win against Phoenix. It was a 132-127 victory for Converge Fiber Xers. So there's Coach Topex Robinson and some of the reserve players about to be subbed. So magsasub din si Kevin Kiambao in a few moments. So 2 shots coming up for Mason Amos. To make that 6 points for Mason Amos. Also coming in for the Converge Fiber Xers, that's Mike Nieto, number 17 ng Converge. Playing his first moments dito sa ating first half. At babalik din si Macalalag, Cortez, and Abadam. Second shot coming up for Amos. So 1 for 2 from the line. Early moments sa ating second quarter as Converge Fiber Xers are battling it out against the defending UAAP champions. Arana at the post. Cross-court feed, Nieto, extra pass, Santos. Malakas yung 3-point attempt and rebound secured by Cortez. Here comes Dungo. Amos stops on a dime, hits another one.
I think that's his second 3.
9 points for Mason Amos.
That's his third 3 already.
Ang init na.
Oh,
Itong si
wow.
Mason Amos.
Nagpaparamdam, making his presence felt for De La Salle.
That's right.
Wow.
De Los Santos of the crossover to the
Wow.
basket. No!
Everything but the shot.
That's right. And here comes Dungo on the open court for LaSalle. Cortez in trouble. Kicks it out. Macalalag for 3. Mintis and rebound by Brian Santos.
Sobra lang, sayang.
On the other end, that's Stockton to the cup.
The change of pace.
Oh, yan yung laruan talaga ni Alex Stockton. With a much improved campaign for
Yes.
Converge last conference sa PBA Philippine Cup.
The strong finish from Alex Stockton.
On the other end, that's Macalalag on the blow-by. He blew by Justin Arana.
He took that mismatch, no?
And there's a little tangle between Abadam and Stockton. And a double foul call between Stockton and Abadam. Pareho silang number 12. Babalik na dito si Kevin Kiambao, the reigning MVP and finals MVP ng UAP. At babalik din si Eli Goliena. As we're tied at 39, we have 7:16 remaining in the second quarter. So here comes Santos, De Los Santos rather, at the point. Look at that pressure defense, but De Los Santos able to break 3. And that was a bad pass.
Yan, nag-hesitate siya eh.
And here comes LaSalle looking to capitalize off the turnover. Kiamba po poste. And a foul against JL De Los Santos. 7 minutes remaining dito sa ating first half.
Jersey number 23, J.L. De Los Santos.
So tumataas na yung intensity dito sa ating second quarter.
Yeah, pace is picking up in the second quarter.
Ang Converge Fiber Xers.
At tatawag muna ng timeout si Coach Topex Robinson at ng De La Salle going toe-to-toe against a PBA squad ng Converge Fiber Xers. So the De La Salle Green Archers really showing an impressive performance in the first half.
That's right, no? So definitely you could say it was not a fluke last night.
Oo, hindi eh. It's now a different beast now for LaSalle as they're trying to protect their title
Correct.
for the upcoming season 87 in UAP. Goliena hits another 3 for the De La Salle Green Archers, and a quick timeout on the and the lead for LaSalle as they're leading by 3.
I think that's his third 3-point shot, a field goal in this second quarter alone, no?
So marami na yung mga threes na pinakawala ng De La Salle Green Archers. And they're now leading 42-39. 6.5 minutes remaining. Stockton. There's a pick by Justin Arana. Stockton. Creating separation. Mintis. Rebound by Macalalag. Kevin Kiambao against Mike Nieto. One-hander is good. First basket in the second quarter.
Mahirap na tira, isang kamay, no?
Yan yung signature shot ni Kevin Kiambao.
2-1 press for De La Salle.
Almost a swipe by Raven Cortez.
Ball possession stays with Converge Fiber Xers.
Converge will still have possession
Seconds.
with 15 on the shot clock. So we're now at the halfway point sa ating second period. An entertaining first half indeed for these two squads. Arana, another hook pass. Nieto for 3. Malakas. And rebound by JL De Los Santos. New 14 for Converge.
And solid screen for Arana. But
Intercepted though by Kevin
still,
Kiambao.
yes.
4-on-3 pass break. Kiamba sets up to Cortez, and the
Wow.
second chance is good.
Good dip.
Raven Cortez.
And it's now a quick 7-0 run for LaSalle. 46-39.
Yes, it's a complete turnaround for De La Salle here.
Compared to the first quarter early on.
Correct, ano?
Jersey number 1.
So Converge is struggling right now.
First personal foul.
Kaya papalitan siya ni Shawnee Winston, si Mike Nieto. So Converge needed some additional offensive power.
Yeah, everything is falling for De La Salle as of the moment.
And good steal there by Arana. Goes to work against Cortez. Double team. Gio De Los Santos with 9 to shoot. Off the crossover. Brian Santos was fouled on a three-point
Ooh.
attempt. And Coach Topex Robinson is in disbelief. As Coach Topex seeking explanation from the referees. And one of our referees will approach the monitor.
Yeah, the closeout of Guliena, no? Tingnan natin yung paa niya.
Let's see. We hope na makita natin yung replay.
Parang nakaspread yung legs na kanina pag closeout eh.
Oo.
Let's see, depende yung sa landing also ng...
Yung landing spot, ano?
Yes, correct. If we could watch that replay also, no?
Hopefully, makita natin yung replay dito sa ating table. So, Coach Topex still pleading his case at the moment. It's now a 7-0 run for the De La Salle Green Archers.
I think Converge need this. Itong lull ngayon, no?
Oo.
Kasi they wanted to stop the momentum of De La Salle.
Oo. So, yan ang aasahan sana ng Converge as they're trying to stop the bleeding in the second quarter. 5:21 remaining in the second period. And what would be the conclusion here as we await the announcement from our game announcer?
Flagrant foul, penalty 1 on EJ Guliena.
So a flagrant foul, penalty 1 against Guliena. So that's a big call against Guliena. As he's now discussing with our referees tonight.
So it's a landing spot, Ray.
Landing spot foul, no? Tama ka dyan, Coach Cholo. So that's 3 free throws coming up
3 free throws.
for Brian Santos.
So it's a flagrant one. So 3 free throws. I think this would be also a ball possession.
I think so. Kasi flagrant foul on that last call. So Brian Santos will try to make his 3 free throws. Who played college basketball for UST sa UAP, if I'm not mistaken. As Brian Santos with a productive night yesterday for Converge as they won against the Phoenix Fuel Masters 132-127. He had 17 points and a couple of rebounds, a couple of assists on an efficient 7 of 13 from the field.
EJ Guliena will have to sit down for 3 minutes.
So with that flagrant foul, penalty 1 against Guliena, so he has to sit down to the bench for 3 minutes.
Yes, it's PBA rules, right?
Exactly.
Correct. Okay.
So it's now a 5-point game as Converge able to stop the bleeding after those free throws mula kang Brian Santos. 4 to shoot though for JL De Los Santos. Are they aware of it? Brian Santos at the buzzer and he goes!
Santos for 3.
It's a huge possession for Converge.
Ito, a quick 5-0 blast on the other end for Converge Fiber Xers. Ito na, tumatakbo na si Shawnee Winston. Brian Santos could not save the basketball. Loose ball. And that will go to De La Salle. And CJ Austria with a nice catch and finish. And looks like he's trying to taunt the opponent ng Converge.
Nangasar pa Ay,
I mean, that's his, that's his antics
his
for
style, yes.
Arana, babangga sa ilalim. Another hook shot. 100 shot for Justin Arana.
I think he's just enjoying the game. Itong si Austria, no?
For sure. He's trying to entertain the crowd dito po sa Davao City. Bodies on the floor as Brian
KQ.
Santos and KQ, that's right, was falling on the deck dito sa loob ng USAP Gymnasium.
Brian Santos.
And a blocking foul against Brian Santos.
Personal foul.
Kasi si Brian Santos trying to draw a charge against Kevin Kiambao.
Yeah, I think he was moving there, no?
So hindi niya na-establish yung defensive position.
Correct.
So that means free throws coming up for Kevin Kiambao, who averaged about 14 points per game in the final sa UAP on their winning campaign against the UP Fighting Maroons as he hits the first free throw. So Kevin Kiambao hoping to make another MVP type season as we take a look at this replay. Atid sa inyo ng Davao City Sports Development Division. So nade-develop yung kanyang one-handed shot itong si Justin Arana since his days in the NCAA. And his improvement has been significant for Justin Arana. Katulad yung kagabi, he had 28 points last night.
Another 2-to-1 press after the free throw for De La Salle.
And that is the challenge for Converge. Arana draws a double team, gets inside.
Wow.
Kapos nga lang yung tira.
Sorry, miss for Arana. Here comes De La Salle.
Makalalag. Sets up Kiambao
Did
for
not
three.
hesitate that time, no?
That was a wide open shot for Kevin Kiambao.
It's a rhythm 3 for KQ.
7 na po ang abante ng De La Salle, 53-46.
You heard it right, De La Salle. Ang lamang, ano?
Brian Santos for the answer. Mintis nga lang. Arana trying to clean it up. Gets inside. Wala.
Wow.
Another offensive rebound. Ito si JL De Los Santos has been very active on the offensive glass ng Converge Fiber Xers.
Ninja-like ano yun,
Oo.
yung rebound niya.
Parang mala Spider-Man ng mga lundag ni JL De Los Santos as he was able to crush the boards.
I think you mentioned JL De Los Santos averaging 4 rebounds per game.
If I'm
As a
not
guard.
mistaken, oo. As Stockton
Wow.
draws the foul and one.
Excellent play.
Off the inbounds, that's a knockout play para sa Converge. As Stockton will head to the line for his bonus shot coming up.
Ibang klaseng blob yun, no? Baseline out of bounds play. Eye in the sky.
Oo. Executed into perfection.
Correct.
Bonus shot coming up for Alex Stockton. And he converts back to a 4-point game, 53-49. Now here comes Kiambao, hit that last 3-point shot. Austria, bibigay kang Ramiro kontra kang JL De Los Santos off the crossover. Makalalag. Goes down the middle. That's a tough shot. Couldn't get the bounce and secured by Shawnee Winston with his own rebound.
Tough shot indeed for Makalalag.
And there's another cross-court feed. JL De Los Santos, quick spin. And Converge tried to make an open shot. Arana,
Oh,
extra pass to Shawnee. He'll launch. Malakas yung 3-point attempt niya and rebound by CJ Austria. 2-on-3 fast break. I think that was deflected by Shawnee Winston.
that's right.
Trying to go on a bullet pass. Not a good idea. Intercepted by Phillips.
Phillips
Lasal
is
goes on
all
the
over.
run. Makalala gets away.
JC.
I was saying Phillips was all over the floor, no?
Grabe yung activity on both ends itong si Michael Phillips.
Correct.
And we're approaching 2.5 minutes remaining. Santos, another missed shot from the outside. So he has been struggling in the first half. Mula sa 3-point country, Kiambao, quick shot. Austria cleans it up.
Right place at the right time. Itong si Austria.
So mataas na yung energy for LaSalle dito sa ating first half. De Los Santos goes behind the back. Trying to go on the highlight play. Not a good idea. Phillips now against Brian Santos. One-on-one. Goes to the cup. Draws the foul. And the crowd is anticipating for another athletic play mula kang Phillips.
Fouls the jersey number 26.
But nevertheless, a good defensive stand for Brian Santos, not allowing another easy basket for Michael Phillips.
I thought Michael Phillips will jump over Santos there. No?
And there's that replay atid sa inyo ng City Government of Davao. First shot is good for Michael Phillips.
Substitution.
Another superb performance for Michael Phillips for the De La Salle Green Archers. Like what I mentioned earlier, he was 6 of 8 from the field with 13 points and 11 rebounds. A double-double performance for Michael Phillips.
That's right.
Standing 6'8", was part of the gold medal team ng Gilas Pilipinas sa Southeast Asian Games. Makes the second. Okay, so 10 na ang abante, Coach Cholo.
10 points indeed, no? Again, 2-1 press.
And Golyena with a steal, goes to the basket and the layup. Fast break points for LaSalle.
Grabe, ang bilis nito mga batang to.
And there's that pressure defense from LaSalle, really hounding Alex Stockton. Now here comes Gio Ambohot for his first appearance mula sa Converge Fiber Xers. Ambohot in trouble, has to give it up to Pat Maddenberg, down to 5 on the shot clock. Shawnee slip! Another turnover for Converge. Phillips on the run. Phillips. Oh my! Yampaw! Mintis nga lang yung tira. And look at that scrambling defense once again for LaSalle. Ambohot, he'll try. That's an air ball. And another turnover for Converge. What has happened to Converge in the second quarter, Coach Cholo?
They're struggling.
Mukhang nawalan sila ng gas ano sa second quarter.
Yeah, Coach Aden digging deep, no? Pinasok nga niya si Ambohot. So looking for that spark coming off from the bench of Converge.
Kiambao, another three. Mintis nga lang. Battle for a rebound. As Golyena could not save the basketball, so Converge will have it with 55 seconds remaining.
These two are enjoying. Even yung mga players ng De La Salle, they're just enjoying the experience, no?
Kasi this will gain a valuable experience for them.
Definitely.
As they're preparing for the upcoming UAAP season.
Converge is being out-hustled by De La Salle.
Melesio. Almost slipped.
Yes.
And an offensive foul against Aljun Melesio, the former LaSallian.
Offensive foul, jersey number 11, Aljun Melesio. First personal.
And that's his first personal for Aljun Melesio, his first appearance in the second period. And there's assistant coach, Coach Caloy Garcia, among the coaching staff ng De La Salle Green Archers. 45 seconds remaining. So Converge now in the penalty situation, so they don't have to commit another silly foul if you're the white shirts. Golyena, open three, got it to go! It's been raining freeze for the De La Salle Green Archers, and it's now a 15-point lead.
He has been great for De La Salle, itong si Golyena.
So Coach Cholo, it has been a 25-point turnaround for the De La Salle Green Archers. Like what I said earlier, it was a 10-0 start for Converge, but a second quarter counter-attack for the De La Salle Green Archers. So here's our replay hatid sa inyo ng The Royal Mandaya Hotel on that quick steal and layup for EJ Golyena.
Kita mo yung disiplina nitong mga batang to. Zooming in immediately to their coaches, looking for instructions, listening intently.
That's right.
Even if they're on top already.
That's a good quality if you're an elite team and you're also the defending champion sa UAAP. So babalik dito si Mason Amos. So LaSalle trying to utilize their offensive firepower as Amos had 9 points in the first half so far for him.
Correct. Sa mga batang mga players dyan, no? Makinig kayo sa mga coaches nyo.
So that's a great advice, especially from the coach na nasa katabi ko ngayon. Okay, last shot opportunity. Let's see anong may bibigay dito ng LaSalle. Looking for the early knockout punch, I think. Let's see. 10 seconds. Dungo now against Aljun Melesio. Kiambao from the left corner. 3 is missed. We're down to 1 second. Stockton with the heave. And that ends an entertaining first half as LaSalle with offensive firepower in the second quarter, Coach Cholo.
Wow. Tremendous finish in the second quarter. Up now by 14. Yung jump ball play.
Ay, oh.
Classic yun, classic.
Oh, that was a classic one. One of the highlights, one of the many highlights on the storied PBA career ni Coach Willie Miller. Second quarter now underway.
It's a prank yun, Ray.
So here comes Marasigan off the turnover. Tapos nga lang yung layup. And if you're Converge, what has been the problem in this second quarter as they outscored by 18 points by De La Salle?
They're completely out-hustled by De La Salle, these young guns. And They're not getting back on defense. That is why very frustrated si Coach Alden. No, they're not also defending ang mga handoffs. Kaya nga there was a quick timeout, no? The statement immediately ni Coach Alden.
But the problem is, De La Salle was continuing on the run at the end of the second quarter.
That's right. So right now, Converge is playing the style of play ng De La Salle. So it's really in favor of De La Salle. They need to change the pace of the game so that it would in favor them once again. No?
So that is what Coach Alden Ayo is hoping for during the huddle sa halftime sa kanilang dugout dito po sa loob ng University of Southeastern Philippines Gymnasium. And there's Kevin Kiambao with a impressive start for him in the first half. Had 7 points. Only has 1 of 5 from the 3-point line. JL De Los Santos using a series of fakes. Babalik ang Justin Arana. Oh, nice return pass. Sobrang nga lang yung tira doon ni JL De Los Santos. And here comes the La Salle fast break. Goliena.
No.
Trying to go on the offensive rebound, and there's a loose ball foul. And that will be against La Salle's Goliena.
Number 32, EJ Goliena. Second personal foul on EJ. That's the second team foul.
And that's actually the first miss ni EJ Goliena. He was perfect from the field. He's 6 of 6 from the field in the first half before yung unang mintis niya sa third quarter.
That's right.
Alex Stockton goes in the paint. That's a wild shot. And La Salle, another fast break opportunity. Kiambao, no look to Phillips!
Grabe.
Nangangapi sa ere pala si Michael Phillips.
Parang may pause button, ano?
Oo.
Idadunk sana eh. Sabi niya, excuse me. Okay. Layup ko lang.
Oo.
Dunk klase. Eh na naman, oh. Tumatakbo na naman.
La Salle with another fast break opportunity. Kiambao. Now taking his time, Marasigan. That's a 3!
That's what I'm saying, Ray. Kahit sinong papasok mo dyan, the same yung nilalaro ng La Salle. No?
Oo.
The system really works for De La Salle right now.
And that's the 10th 3 of the ball game for the De La Salle Green Archers. As Justin Arana draws the foul as he's trying to motivate the players of Converge. It's now a 19-point lead for the De La Salle Green Archers. Fourth personal foul for Marasigan.
Third personal foul.
I wanna see that replay mula kang Michael Phillips.
For Justin Arana.
Kasi yung layup ni Michael Phillips, like I saw him in slow motion.
Yes. Correct. Slow motion. Tsaka
Ayun
siya.
no? There's a replay atin sa inyo ng The Royal Mandaya Hotel.
May pause, oh. Oh, okay. Layup na lang.
Oo. Parang teka muna, adjust muna.
O, kaya nga eh. Ang klase, no?
That's what you get when you're an athletic 6'8 forward tulad ni Michael Phillips.
Yeah, De La Salle is now on a different stage, no?
Oo.
Different level ng ilalaro ng De La Salle University.
Kiambao off the handoff. That's 1 for 6 for Kevin Kiambao dito sa ating ball game.
But I would say, yeah, KQ is missing. He's not been productive, but De La Salle doesn't mind, no?
Kasi lamang sila ng 17.
Oo nga eh.
Caralipio has been silent. A hop step and a basket.
Caralipio.
69-54. Now Marasigan, who has 4 personal fouls. Phillips on the attack. And he'll go to the line for his 2 more shots.
Yun yung kagandahan ng De La Salle. They're always on a downhill, no? Always attacking.
Fouls in jersey number 15.
And that's the reason why they're leading as much as 19 points. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, itong De La Salle Green Archers, they're running and gunning
Mike Phillips.
since the second quarter.
Oh, hindi yun tsamba, hindi yun swerte.
Oo.
They really worked for it, no?
That's right. So Michael Phillips make that 10 points in the ball game. So here's our replay hatid sa inyo ng Genesis 88 Construction. Well executed by the De La Salle Green Archers on the half court. Off the handoff for Kevin Kiambao, and there's the 3-pointer for Voris Marasigan.
I think after this free throw, Mr. Made, they will trap once again.
Mintis nga lang.
Mintis.
So Michael Phillips 4 of 6 from the foul line. And Converge on a world of trouble right now in the third quarter. Arana trying to go on the extra pass. That's Alex Stockton. against Marasigan. Top
Excellent
shot.
defense.
And offensive rebound by Arana. Yun yung tinatawag na kili-kili shot. Draws the foul.
Paborito ni Marlo Aquino yun dati, no?
Oo, naglalaro siya sa Ginebra in the mid-90s led by the legendary coach Sonny Jaworski.
Idol ko yun.
Idol natin na
Idol ng lahat.
oo, si Coach Sonny Jaworski, one of the icons of Philippine basketball. He once played in the Olympics
Aha.
in the early 70s, the Philippine men's national team. And that is actually the last time the Philippines made into the Olympics. That was 1972.
Tagal na, no?
52 years.
Muntik na tayo ngayon.
Muntik na. And Kevin Kiamba was part of the Philippine squad during the FIBA Olympic qualifying tournament sa Latvia a few weeks ago. Alongside that guy right there, Mason Amos. Goliena on the blow by... What a play by Eli Goliena!
Bang klase.
I think he now has 19 points. Stockton misses the layup. Another fast break for LaSalle, and Ethan Alian goes for two.
Look at Juliana. Defending once again, no? Hindi
And-
napapagod.
Oh. That's what you get when you have younger, more faster legs itong LaSalle. And here comes Arana. Has been having a hard time against Michael Phillips. 7 to shoot.
Isolation plays.
Back out to Stockton.
Oh.
Blocked by Goliena. Gets it back with 2 to shoot. Caralipio at the buzzer. Got it to go.
They needed that basket, no?
Really desperately. So, babalik ang Michael Phillips. Kontra kang Brian Santos. Amos. Stops. Bibigay kang Goliena with 19 in this ball game so far. Phillips will try his 3. And that will not go. At mapupunta sa Converge. They're down 74 to 58. Stockton open shot. And the threes have not fallen for Alex Stockton. Arana trapped underneath. Santos will try his own 3.
Yes.
Knocks it down.
Kailangan nila yun.
And that's an N1. A rare 4-point play for Brian Santos. At
That's
matawagan ng personal foul for Mason Amos. There's that replay, Coach Cholo. Hatid sa inyo ng Bullet International Logistics Incorporated.
That's really his forte, no? Yung 3-point shot.
Oo.
Jersey number 30.
And that was a late closeout din mula kang Mason Amos.
Right.
First personal foul on Mason.
Tingnan natin kung pangilang tres na ba si Brian Santos.
Yeah.
I think that's his 4th 3 in the ball game.
Knowing etong I've been following Coach Aldin, no?
Oo.
I would say there would still another comeback here. Tingin ko.
For Brian Santos to complete.
Malayo pa rin kasi to eh.
Oo, just like yung first game kanina.
Yeah.
Sa pagitan ng Converge at ng Rain or Shine, Phoenix able to make a run pero they fall short as Rain or Shine won by 2 points in the 4th and final quarter.
Right. May isang point nga si Coach Topex na sabi niya kanina. Possessions, no? Possession at a time. One possession at a time.
As Marasigan draws the foul, 2 shots coming up for Voris Marasigan. So despite having 4 personal fouls for him, so he got aggressive in the paint and will go to the line for his 2 free throw shots.
Second team foul for Converge.
And the lead is not safe at the moment for LaSalle kasi Converge only down by 12. So Boris Marasigan will be tested at the 15-foot line. And hits the first free throw. So in the first half for the LaSalle, mataas yung free throw percentage. So it's about 7 of 11 from the free throw line. Wala masyadong mga attempts from the free throw line, 64%. While Converge had more attempts, 14 attempts. But shooting at a higher clip in the first half, 11 of 14 in the first half. And it's now 76 to 62. Converge looking to spark a run with Shawnee Winston. Bibigay kang Arana. That's a wild hook shot, malakas. And there's a 4-on-1 fast break. Goliena, what a fake! And Amos couldn't tip it home. And BJ Andrade on the run for Converge. Shawnee Winston. Mintis yung 3-point attempt. Caralipio from Letran able to grab the offensive rebound. Loose ball. Andrade sets his feet. And the 3 is missed. And looks like last touch by King Caralipio.
Right.
Possession, Green Archers.
So as we go along sa ating third quarter, gusto kong i-shout ang aking kaibigan mula sa Maynila na si Hoop Junkie, Patrick Edroso, who's I'm pretty sure he's watching right now dito po sa ating live stream sa Madial Sports Davao.
Yeah, I'll also take this opportunity, Ray. No, I'd like to shout out, of course, my wife Angel, my son Tofi watching, and the WAG fam, of course, sila Faye, si JP, and also my family in Luwang, in Davao Occidental, Dondon, Lisel, and Jel is watching.
Ayun.
Pinsan ko dyan.
Sa ating mga kaibigan dyan sa Davao Occidental, dagang salamat sa iyong pagtanaw sa atong live stream karong gabi sa Madial Sports Davao. Austria on the drive. And here comes Shawnee Winston for Converge. They're down by 14. Rakal inside to Pat Magdenberg against Amos. Barging his way to the basket. Wala pa rin. Plenty of empty trips inside for Converge. Raven Cortez, one-hander. Kapos. Another rebound for Shawnee.
Yeah.
That's a 3-on-3 fast break. Magdenberg almost lost control of it. Rakal for 3.
Boom!
Knocks it down.
For 3.
So it's now 7. Okay, we'll check the score. It's 76-65. 11 na po ang abante ng De La Salle. Amos for the answer.
Right. Again, plenty of time for Converge. Like I said, they will make a comeback here.
David Dungo with 7 to shoot. That's a pullback 3. Wala. And rebound by Kevin Rakal. Kasama niya si Winston, Magdenberg, Ambohot, and Andrade. That's the 5 on the floor for Converge. Shawnee, wala. He thought he was fouled, and here comes La Salle. Austria, kontra kang Rakal. Quick spin move to the cup for 2. And that will count and foul. May foul pa.
CJ Austria.
Ang bilis ng pangyayari dito on the other side for La Salle.
Sabi, no?
First personal foul, Kevin.
What a play in transition for CJ Austria. There's our replay hatid sa inyo ng Arcadia Active Lifestyle Center.
Sabi ni Austria, ano makakabalik, coach? Again, De La Salle is on top by 13.
Oo. 78-65. Still double digits is the margin since the second quarter.
For CJ Austria.
And CJ Austria has been the valuable player for La Salle on their tour game so far sa ating Kadayawan Invitational Basketball Tournament. 5.5 minutes remaining. Now here comes Andrade. At bibigay kang Shawnee Winston. Now guarded by Austria. Winston all the way to the cup. Able to see some crack of the defense and gets the layup to go. 79-67. Converge trying to come back in the third quarter. Raven Cortez bibigay kang CJ Austria with 10 to shoot. He'll launch for 3. His 3 is missed and Rakal another rebound. Shawnee goes behind the back on the open court para sa Converge Fiber X. Bibigay ng pick. Itong si Magdenberg and Ambohot. Ambohot pops out. Extra pass to Kevin Rakal. 10 on the shot clock. Andrade on the ISO play. Attacking baseline and a foul called against La Salle. So itong Converge Fiber Xers, they're really exerting their much effort para makahabol sila. They were down as much as 19 early in the third quarter. And penalty na ang De La Salle Green Archers. So that means free throws coming up. So for Converge,
2 free throws for
you could agree with me, Coach. They have to go aggressive kasi penalty na ang De La Salle Green Archers.
That is right.
As BJ Andrade will try to make his 2 free throws. Here's our replay hatid sa inyo ng Davao City Sports Development Division.
Yeah, you will not go wrong when you go aggressive. No?
Lalo na ang Converge, they're now aware that penalty na ang De La Salle Green Archers. They're trying to capitalize on these free throws, lalo na kang BJ Andrade. With all of the who hit 3 clutch free throws in overtime during their win against Phoenix last night.
Correct. And also the time is not on their side. That is why they need to catch up as soon as possible to make this an interesting game once again.
I mean, this is still the third quarter.
For the past 3 games, Ray, really enjoyed watching the games, covering here, but all dikit, no? Masyadong
Lahat dikit ang
kaya
labanan.
Kaya nga eh. Do you think this game will be badikit na naman?
And that is the challenge if you're Converge.
Remains to be seen though.
Like how can you stop the fast-paced LaSalle squad? And dito sa ating second game ngayong Biyernes. Shawnee to the cup. That will count and a foul. So Shawnee Winston trying to lead the charge in the third quarter for Converge and a chance for the three-point play. Here's our replay. Atid sa inyo ng lungsod ng Davao. That's another drive to the cup for Shawnee Winston, the former Lasallian. Looking to make another run for Converge.
Napakaganda ng early offense na ginawa ng Converge. Good step screen from Patrick Magdenberg. Of course, a great finish from Shawnee. He's the bright spot right now for Converge. I think
That's right.
you should need one more player stepping up for them. No?
Lalo na ngayon ang Converge, they're playing without their import na si Scotty Hobson, who's not available tonight for the Converge Fiber Xers.
True.
Now here comes Kiambao off the handoff. That's EJ Abadam. And a foul by Shawnee Winston. With 4:07 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. And that's one more foul to give for the Converge Fiber Xers.
Shot clock 48 seconds.
So 40 on the shot clock for Makalalag ng Lasal. Now guarded by Pat Magdenberg. Makalalag trying to go on the getaway. Kiambao, hop step to the cup.
Oh,
And he'll go to the line for his two shots.
KQ has been really struggling, ano?
Oo.
Foul jersey number 4.
Lalo na mula sa tres, only 1 of 6 from 3-point country.
Second personal foul of Patrick. 2 free throws for
Actually, he's
KQ.
combined for, if I'm not mistaken, probably 2 of 8 overall dito sa ating ball game as Kiambao converts on the first free throw. So not the usual night sa ngayon for Kevin Kiambao. But Eli Goliena has been superb. Siya yung player na step up big time for the De La Salle Green Archers as he's now approaching the 20-point mark for Goliena. And second shot is good for Kevin Kiambao. Back to an 11-point lead for the De La Salle Green Archers.
Ayun na naman yung 2-2-1 press for De La Salle.
Now here comes Shawnee Winston scoring the last basket dito sa ating third quarter, and away from the play, a foul against LaSalle. Look at that animated expression mula kang CG Austria.
Yeah.
Holding foul jersey number 16.
Gustong-gusto ko tong batang to. Palaban talaga.
Oo.
May teammate ako dati, Ray, na
Tell me.
masyadong matalino maglaro. Tsaka very tough din. Pangalan na si Joel Ang.
Wow.
Hello Joel, may gabi.
So you have played with players who have that kind of ability.
Oo.
Na nakita mo ngayon.
Ganun na ganun talaga ang ginagawa ni Joel eh. Very tough player as well. No?
That's right. So second shot coming up for BJ Andrade. So making some good contributions for the former Ateneo Blue Eagle. Trying to cut the deficit to a single possession, the single digit game rather. It's now a 10-point game for De La Salle. 3.5 minutes to go sa ating third quarter. Malayo pa ito dito sa ating second game for tonight. And a quick steal by Shawnee Winston, taken away from the former La Salle player. And here comes BJ Andrade for 3. 7-point game. At tatawag ng timeout si Coach Topex Robinson.
Yun yung kailangan nila. A spark from the bench.
Remaining time 3 minutes
And it's now a 7-point game.
Ingat po kayo pauwi sa Davao. Congratulations once again to Kennedy Toyomoto.
And of course, among their star players ng Toyomoto, that's Andre Lumanag. So here comes De La Salle trying to stop the bleeding as Converge trying to make a run in the third. Austria on the drive, kicks it out. Abadam. And that's a 3 coming off the timeout.
It's a 3-point basket on jersey number
Back to a 10-point lead.
Good response for De La Salle, keeping Converge at bay.
Thanks to the excellent shooting mula sa tres. Here comes Shawnee Winston. Almost slipped. Entry pass to Pat Magdenberg against Luis Pablo. Has to kick it out. Andrade, another 3. Another one! Second straight 3 for BJ Andrade. Back to a 7-point game. 2.5 minutes to go. Almost a steal. Pero Kiambao able to recover. Makalala has to kick it out to Luis Pablo. Goes on the drive to the basket. Couldn't get it to go. Pero mapupunta pa rin sa Lasal.
All possession remains.
Matangkad rin tong Pablo, no?
Green Archers shot clock.
I believe he's 6'7" si Luis Pablo or 6'8".
Wow.
He played high school basketball sa Lasal Green Hills, NCAA Juniors Basketball. Alongside his frontcourt mate na si Seven Gagate. Maraming mga malalaki doon on their last run. Andrade falls down to 6 seconds. Abadam, nice pass to Pablo. Counted and one.
Beautiful finish. Body control from Pablo.
And that's the first field goal for Luis Pablo. And there's our replay hatid sa inyo ng Genesis 88 Construction. Great heads up play for Luis Pablo, the youngster, for the LaSalle Green Archers.
Bonus free throw for Luis Pablo.
So gusto niyang babalik sa 10 ang abante with this 3-point opportunity coming up para kang Luis Pablo.
That was the dish coming from EJ Abadam, right?
And that shot goes for Luis Pablo. So it's now 89-79. High scoring game for these two teams. Ito, nasa kamay ngayon ni Shawnee Winston. And there's a double team. Has to kick it out. Andrade for 3. And that is way off. So LaSalle will take possession.
Possession, Green Archers.
A minute and 45 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Here comes Austria. Somebody fall down. Gets inside. Wala nga lang. And rebound by Pat Magdenberg. Shawnee in transition. Draws the foul.
Shawnee against 4 or 5.
4 or 5
LaSalle
LaSalle
players.
defenders. Tama ka dyan, Coach Cholo. Trying to lead the charge. Trying to make a comeback.
2 free throws for Shawnee Winston.
Shawnee against the world right there.
Oo. He's doing all by himself, I think, for Converge. As that shot goes for Shawnee Winston. Shooting 72% from the free throw line nung nakarang PBA Philippine Cup last conference. Also averaging about 11 points per game for Shawnee Winston. So trying to make a statement against his former team, the LaSalle Green Archers. So it's now 89-81 in favor of the De La Salle Green Archers. Kiambao. Balik ang Austria with 14 to shoot. We're approaching a minute remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Luis Pablo to the cup.
Luis Pablo.
Another basket for the youngster, Luis Pablo.
That's a morale booster for from Pablo, no?
Oo. Kasi he didn't score a point yesterday for the De La Salle Green Archers.
And look at him trying to contain Patrick, the big guy, Magdenberg, no?
Oo. And looks like dito sa ating third quarter, Luis Pablo able to overcome the pressure from Pat Magdenberg.
Foul on JC.
Scoring 5 points in the third quarter for Luis Pablo.
That's right.
So an encouraging development for Luis Pablo kasi he's playing against the pros.
Exactly. So imagine the confidence entering into the UAAP season, no? Itong mga batang ito.
Oo. Kasi a lot of new recruits for the De La Salle Green Archers. As this replay, hatid sa inyo ng Genesis 88 Construction. So showing a little bit of guard skills for the big man. Yung quick crossover. And that shot goes for Shawnee Winston. Down to a single-digit ball game, 91-82. 50 seconds remaining in the third period. Now here comes Pablo, scoring 5 points in the third quarter. Abadam launches way off.
That was a zoom action from LaSalle. Just missed that 3.
Now in the hands of Shawnee Winston.
Look at the handles of Shawnee.
He's an elite playmaker. A scorer for the Converge Fiber Xers. Bibigay kang Rakal. Balik kang Shawnee. Now against Abadam. Down to 7 on the shot clock. Balik kang Ratal for 3. That's way off. But Magdenberg blocked by Pablo. Gets it back with 1 to shoot. Has to fire. Knocks it down. Right at the buzzer for BJ Andrade.
Perfect moment for Andrade.
That's third 3-point shot. Tatlong tres na yan dito sa ating third quarter. 5 seconds. for Makalala. Goes to work against Magdenburg. Down to 2 seconds. Launches. Got it! Buzzer! JC Makalalag
Cool
beats
as
the
ice.
buzzer at the end of the third quarter. Nothing but net.
That's the end of our third quarter.
Cool as
Takes a 94-85 lead. 5 lead over the Converge Fiber Xers. So the Converge Fiber Xers, unti-unti nilang natatapisan yung kalamangan thanks to the efforts of Shawnee Winston and BJ Andrade. Pero still, it's not yet enough as Converge still down by 9. Here
And-
comes Alex Stockton.
Yeah, Alex Stockton is back in the ball game, no? So, let's look for him to score bunches of points here.
Kasi hindi maganda yung pinakitang offensive performance ni Alex Stockton. Gets inside and
There you
draws
go.
the foul. So 2 shots coming up for Alex Stockton.
So once again, no, they just need to be they just need to stay aggressive on this game.
Oo.
Just keeping themselves right in the doorstep, kumbaga, no?
At saka yung in terms of field goal shooting in the first half, it was almost perfect. 3 of 4 from the field. Pero yun nga, wala masyadong na bibigay na tira. Not a lot of field goal attempts mula kang Alex Stockton in the first half.
Right. So I think what Converge should do here is attack more the basket, so that force De La Salle to foul them and keep them. Be in that early penalty situation and score in the free throw line, no? Para makahabol sila.
And for Converge, they have to make some stops. And in Luis Pablo, scoring 5 points in the third quarter. So able to make some magic for La Salle. Goes to work against Racal. Luis Pablo, that's a good challenge against the veteran. And a turnover for Luis Pablo. Here comes Stockton. Bounce pass, Magdenburg.
Pa!
And the layup, kapos nga lang.
Tik na.
Munti ka na, Coach Cholo.
Ganda ng pasa doon.
That's right. Not anything but the shot. A minute gone by sa ating fourth quarter. Luis Pablo kontra Magdenburg. Pabalik ang Kiambao down the baseline. That's a tough shot but draws the foul. So 2 shots coming up for the reigning MVP ng UAAP, Kevin Kiambao.
Also jersey number 26, Brian Santos.
So we have seen so many times yung mga praises, the accolades of Kevin Kiambao magmula pa sa UAAP Juniors when he played for the National University Bullpups. A lot of achievements for the youngster.
Yeah, I just hope and pray no, na this guy would be healthy. Itong si KQ. Again, like I said last night, no, he is our future in Philippine basketball.
Oo, he has the size. He's 6'7". Great shooting form as he hits the first free throw.
Subdivision for the Green Archers.
I mean, he can do it all, kumbaga, for the La Salle Green Archers right now. If ever he goes pro, I think Coach Cholo, he will make an instant impact on whoever team he's going to play in the future.
For sure, no? He would be a welcome addition to any team.
Oo. And the future is bright indeed for Kevin Kiambao. 1 for 2 from the line and Racal secures the rebound. Kevin Racal having some struggles throughout this second half. Stockton kasama niya si Santos, Magdenburg, Andrade, and Racal. That's the 5 on the floor for Converge. Stockton trying to break through the defense with 7 to shoot. Now against Phillips. Stockton having a hard time. Andrade from the corner, malakas. And rebound secured by Phillips. Trying to go on the pass to Dungo. Malakas nga lang yung pasa doon for Michael and a turnover for La Salle.
Converge. Substitution for the Green Archers.
At babalik na po si Justin Arana ng Converge Fiber Xers and Voris Malasigan also checking back in for La Salle. Remember, he has 4 fouls dito sa ating ball game.
So let's see if Justin Arana can be a game changer in this fourth quarter with 10 minutes to play.
Katulad yung nangyari kagabi against Phoenix, ano?
Correct. Oh,
That was swatted away by Michael Phillips.
Here we
Kiambao.
go.
Back to Phillips!
baby!
Woo! What a play between the 2 front court players, Kiambao and Phillips.
Galit na galit. Gustong manakit.
And the rim
Grabe.
is still shaking on the other end.
Oo nga eh.
Here comes Alex Stockton. Back to Justin Arana. Counted and one.
Basket count for Justin Arana.
Same 2 points, Ray.
Oh, here's that replay update sa inyo ng Royal Mandaya Hotel. Here's that fast break. Kiambao No look pass to Phillips
Boom.
for that poster jam. Another highlight reel for Michael Phillips.
That was a thunderous jam, no? That's a two. Yeah, that's basically 2 points still.
Oo.
Itong kay Justin Arana.
2
And
points
one.
pa rin. But this is not this
May
time.
bonus pa. No?
Oh, yun. 3/2.
Yeah, that's it.
So 7 na po ang habulin ng Converge Fiber Xers. They're still not going anywhere. Marasigan in the paint. That's a wild shot. And here comes Alex Stockton.
Malayo pa to, 7 points.
Open shot for Stockton. Wala. And here comes Kevin Kiambao.
They need
Fast
to
break
get-
opportunity.
Kailangan bumalik sa depensa.
David
itong
Dungo.
Converge.
On the runner.
my
Got it.
gosh.
And one.
Oh,
And Converge wanted to challenge that call.
I
As-
could,
Stockton trying to draw the charge. Tingnan natin. And I think Converge will take a challenge.
he's shaking, Ray. Itong si Dungo. I just heard the thud, no? Itong
Oh.
pagkabagsak niya sa floor.
We hope na nothing is serious for David Dungo sa mga youngsters ng De La Salle.
I think he's okay.
I'm trying to check din kung if there was a challenge called by Converge.
It was a blocking foul.
So walang natawag na challenge ang Converge. So that's a blocking foul against Alex Stockton, and that's his 4th personal foul. So there's the replay hatid sa inyo ng Genesis 88 Construction. Oh, that was a dangerous move on the other end on the drive by David Dungo.
Converge Fiber Xers.
So babalik muna sa ball game si Shawnee Winston, who had that spark in the 3rd quarter, able to rally the troops back for Converge. So ngayon it's now a single-digit ball game, but bonus shot coming up for David Dungo. Bonus shot is up, spins out, and rebound by Brian Santos. Now here comes Shawnee Winston once again for Converge.
Yeah, I think this is a good lineup now for Converge. You have Shani at the point, and Alec would be on the 2 spot, right?
So lots of offense from these players right now for
Correct.
Converge. But they have to make it right now. 5 to shoot. Stockton, one-legged shot. Wala.
May miss
Arana
pa rin.
offensive rebound against Phillips. Battle for the loose ball. Arana wins it. Kevin Racal, balik kang Stockton. That's great defense from Phillips. Down to 4 seconds. Arana
Ganda!
turns, shoots, and scores. 7-point game.
Hindi natin nakita, napakagandang pasa ni Racal.
On the other end, mintis yung tira mula kang Dungo. At nasa kamay ngayon ni Alex Stockton. Now taking his time at the point. Doing the ball handling duties for the Converge Fiber Xers. Almost a swipe.
Santos is in the corner.
5 to
Waiting.
shoot. Shawnee Winston.
There you go, sabi ko na eh.
Santos for 3. Knocks it down. 4-point game.
Kitang-kita.
Right on cue.
Exactly. He's just waiting there.
We thought that LaSalle is now going away, pero itong Converge trying to fight back. Boris, answer, wala. And a big rebound for Shawnee. Converge trying to continue the momentum in the 4th.
Santos again, wide open 3.
Malakas
Oh.
nga lang, and Bungo with the rebound. Kasama niya si Kiambao, Phillips, Goliena, and Marasigan. That's the 5 on the floor for Coach Topex Robinson. Phillips, top of the key, with 10 to shoot. Looks for a friend. Goliena, down to 7 on the shot clock. Dungo fakes. Kiambao contested 3.
Wala
No
pa
good.
rin.
Agawan ng rebound.
Uh-oh.
And Converge wins the battle.
Parang
And we're
wala.
still plenty of basketball. 7 minutes remaining. Arana posting up against Phillips. Turns, shoots, scores!
Wow.
Another basket for Justin Arana and a quick timeout by Coach Topex Robinson.
Timeout, LaSalle.
They're trying to overcome the defense of LaSalle, and they're hoping to go 2-0 alongside Rain or Shine.
Yeah, I was about to tell you, Ray, no, I'm missing etong si number 27, King Caralipio.
Oh, that's from Letran.
Yeah. Sabi ko sana ipasok, eto na. So So this should be a monster lineup now for Converge, I guess, in terms of scoring.
Now in the hands of Michael Phillips. Poposting ngayon kontra ang Santos. Phillips hook shot. That's good.
Great shot from Phillips.
Coming off the timeout.
Wow, ganda na depensa ng Lasal.
And then LaSalle applying pressure on defense. Stockton able to break through. Now we're manning the point for the Converge Fiber Xers. Ibigay kang Shawnee Winston now against his former team. Santos, extra pass. Stockton from the corner. Got it to go! 1 point game.
Grabe.
It's now 101 to 100 for the De La Salle Green Archers. And the pressure is on for the De La Salle Green Archers. Amos straight away. Malakas! Here we go! And a fast break coming up. Stockton. Magdenburg fakes. Looking to go on the drive. Instead, bibigyan kang Stockton. And he tried to slow things down for Converge. Shawnee. Now against Amos with 9 to shoot. Looking for the big basket to take the lead for Converge. Stockton. Wala! And a Badam, loose ball. Kaninong bola? And a held ball.
Look at Alex Stockton. Nanghihinayang. Hindi lang talaga pumasok yung tirang yun.
He was open.
He was open. Ang ganda ng galaw.
Oh.
Almost but not quite.
Substitution for Green Archers.
Able to break through the defense yung ginagawa ni Stockton. Not anything but the shot nga lang for Alex Stockton, the leading scorer last night for Converge, who had 32 on their win against Phoenix. I was also checking at the number of viewers ngayong gabi. Over 8,000 live viewers ngayon sa
Wow.
Madale Sports Davao. So thank you so much for the support, everyone. So don't go anywhere. We still have plenty of basketball remaining. 5.5 to go. Magdenburg and Abadam jump it up. Shawnee turns, shoots, foul!
Opportunity.
For Converge to take the lead at the foul line.
Exactly. 2 free throws.
Also jersey number 30, Mason Amos.
2 crucial free throws for Shawnee Winston. And he has stepped up big time for the Converge Fiber Xers. Once again, he's shooting 72% during the Philippine Cup. Hits the first free throw. Okay, wait a minute.
Uh-oh.
Okay, there's an issue. There's an issue. Kasi pumutok yung buzzer, ano?
Yeah. Tumira na to si Shawnee. So, may isa pa.
Timeout.
So we will figure things out as Converge Fiber Xers will take a timeout.
Earlier, about 10 minutes to go. I think De La Salle was on top by 14.
Oh, they were leading as much as 19 actually early in the second half.
I asked you if it would be another tight ball game, and
Ito na.
eto na nga, 5 minutes to go, tied ball game.
Second shot for Shawnee. That's missed. Loose ball and Phillips secures the rebound.
Minamalas pa rin talaga tong Converge. Trying to double.
Makalalag, bibigay kang Amos.
Abadam.
Abadam for 3. Oh! Was fouled on a 3-point attempt. So that's a
View for a
big opportunity.
spot.
So the referees are going to review for a possible landing spot foul, which means momentum ng
Yeah,
Converge.
This is huge. I mean, 3 free throws for Abadam and plus ball possession, right?
Oo. That's what's going to happen for Earl Abadam as hits the first free throw. But there's still plenty of time with 5:22 remaining in the fourth quarter as De La Salle with an 0-1 record looking to make their first win sa ating tournament this year as he hits the second. Still has one more for Abadam.
Ray, maganda yung laban natin dito sa court. Sa
Oo.
comment section, maganda rin yung labanan.
Oo, maganda talaga. Lalo na pag meron tayong 8,000 nanonood sa ating live stream ngayong gabi.
Matindi rin yung bakbakan sa comment section.
You know what, kagabi din coach, parang umabot ata ng 10,000
Wow, okay.
yung live viewers kagabi.
Great, no?
And as of the moment, it's 104-101. 3 points is the margin for De La Salle. So both teams not yet in the penalty at this point in the fourth. Makalalag. Kontra kang JL De Los Santos. Look at that pesky defense. Amos for 3. Malakas. Rebound by Shawnee.
Almost but not quite for Amos. Here we go.
Stockton. Atake sa baseline. Has to drill back out for the tie.
Oh,
That's an air ball.
I thought it was a good line.
It was a good look mula kang Brian Santos.
From our angle, it was good, but
Was well to the left.
oo nga eh. Well,
Missed opportunity for Converge. And De La Salle looking to capitalize. Makalalag kontra kang JL De Los Santos.
Uy, ganda
Amos,
ng-
nice entry pass. Phillips, posting ngayon. Back out to CJ Austria with 7 to shoot. Goes baseline and a shot. That's good.
the CJ Austria is crafty, no?
A gritty guard for the De La Salle Green Archers. 5 points is the lead. Arana, atake down the lane. De Los Santos, oh! Another missed opportunity for Converge.
Out of bounds, ball possession.
And that's a turnover for the white shirts ng Converge Fiber Xers.
Subdivision for
And Converge needs more offense as BJ Andrade will check back into the ball game. As JL De Los Santos will return to the bench.
Yeah, remember he scored 2 or back-to-back threes earlier, right?
Tatlong tres yun sa
Tatlo
third
ba?
quarter.
Oo.
Yeah, it's been huge during that fight back for Converge after they were down as much as 19. Amos almost a strip. Makalalag able to recover and gets the basket to go. Another big shot for JC Makalalag.
Behind the neck shot.
Hirap nun ha. Unreal.
Galing.
I mean, De La Salle putting on a show in front of the Davao Venue crowd. Shawnee in trouble. Balikang Arana.
5 seconds.
Nice spin
Wow!
back. Gets the basket to go. Down to a 5-point game. Makalalag in trouble. Arana takes it away. Arana on a foot race
Oh my.
and jams it home. Scoring the last 4 points for the Converge Fiber Xers.
Yep.
1 possession game.
Big basket from the big guy.
Phillips for the answer. Mintis gets it back. Wala, but a foul. 2 shots coming up for Michael Phillips. We thought La Salle has the momentum, but Justin Arana has other plans, Coach Cholo.
That's the fifth.
Ayaw niya pang umuwi. Gusto niya pa maglaro eh.
And there's that steal mula sa Davao City Sports Development Division. And the throwdown for Justin Arana. So 2 shots coming up for Michael Phillips. I've seen a lot of highlight reels tonight dito sa USEP Gymnasium as he hits the first.
For Green Archers.
No quit from this guy, Justin Arana.
And that is part of his character ever since playing with the Arellano Chiefs sa NCAA many years ago.
But on the other end, what can you say about Michael Phillips? He has been tremendous for De La Salle.
And the second shot is good for Michael Phillips. 110 to 105. 3:13 remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Stockton now against David Dungo. And look at that hounding defense mula kang Dungo.
3 minutes.
Stockton surveys the floor. There's a pick by Arana. He stops, slip. Arana gets to the basket. Draws the foul and one.
Ayaw talaga.
Make that 6 points. Justin Arana scoring the last 6 points for the Converge Fiber Xers.
This is a replay for Justin Arana. Ito yung ginawa niya kagabi.
Oo, especially with that big shot to force overtime against Phoenix.
Correct. Scoring a bunch of points in the fourth quarter when you needed most, no?
Oo. And he scored 6 points in overtime. And a 3-point opportunity for Justin Arana to cut the deficit. He's hoping to cut the deficit to within 2 for the Fiber Xers of Converge. Remember, they're playing without their number 1 pick na si Justin Baltazar and their import na si Scotty Hobson. Misses the bonus free throw. And rebound by De La Salle. 3 minutes remaining. Kiambao. Bibigay ka nga Michael Phillips with 14 on the shot clock. La Salle on this big-time half-court set. Austria against Stockton. Phillips trying to go on the attack against Arana. Throws it up. Wala. Aguana bola. Phillips gets it back. 2 more shots coming up for Michael Phillips. You can feel the energy from the big man.
Calls in jersey number
Grabe.
15.
Grabe yung hustle niya.
Third personal foul of BJ.
And that's why he was part of the gold medal winning Gilas Pilipinas team during the SEA Games last year sa Cambodia.
Phillips.
Yeah, I admire this guy so much, no?
Very tenacious, never giving up. Napakataas yung energy itong si Michael Phillips. Standing 6'8". Misses the first free throw though. 2.5 minutes remaining.
Yeah, if you would ask the question who wants it more, Michael Phillips would say yes, I do. I really want that. I want to win.
And for De La Salle, that's what Michael Phillips are hoping. They're looking for their first win sa ating Kadayawan Invitational Basketball Tournament. And there's still a lot more drama ahead in crunch time. Andrade in trouble. And Stockton able to break through. Almost slipped. Stockton in traffic. Arana kontra kang Michael Phillips. Inside. Another foul. And that will be against Michael Phillips. And Michael Phillips says, okay, I understand. I got it.
Jersey number 25, Mike Phillips. Third personal foul on Mike.
Because he knows there's still plenty of time
Yes.
for De La Salle as they're trying to protect the lead in the fourth. And that's the third personal foul for Michael Phillips. And that's the last foul to give para sa De La Salle Green Archer. So 2 shots coming up for Justin Arana.
Yeah, but what about Stockton earlier? No, after that inbound plays, he almost slipped. Really in control, managing to dish off the last minute to Justin.
Oo. And I think Stockton could be one of the improved players for the Converge Fiber Xers.
Yun
Another
naman.
miss for Justin Arana. Remember last night he was shooting 6 of 12 from the free throw line kontra sa Phoenix.
Costly misses for Justin.
Lalo na dito sa crunch time. 1 for 2 from the line. Back to a 1 possession game. 111 to 108. Here comes Kiambao. Kasama niya si Dungo, Phillips, Austria, and Abadam. Phillips kontra kang Brian Santos.
Oh!
Steal by Stockton.
Good swipe from Stockton.
Big time steal for Alex Stockton. Here's a 3. And he's trying to draw the foul. No whistle. Abadam steps inside. No. And a whistle.
Ay ko po.
And bodies on the floor. And looks like Abadam and Stockton down on the deck. And Stockton is now standing up. And Abadam trying to overcome the pain
Jersey number 12, Alex Stockton.
after that hard contact mula kang Alex Stockton.
That's the 5th personal foul of Alex Stockton.
And that's a big foul for Alex Stockton. That's his 5th foul because if he commits another one, he's out of the ball game. And Alex Stockton has been the stabilizer for the Converge Fiber Xers dito sa ating ball game sa second half.
2 free throws for Earl Abadam.
And this time around, Earl Abadam, remember he hit those 3 free throws after that yung fouled attempt on the 3-point shot. Hits the first.
Substitution for Converge Fiber Xers.
1 more shot coming up for Earl Abadam.
Converge still trailing this ball game with 1 minute and 57 seconds remaining.
At ang Converge Fiber Xers hindi pa nila nakatikim ng kalamangan since the first half. And so far for the second half, Converge trying to break through the barrier, which is the defense of La Salle. And here's that last replay by Abadam. There's that contact mula kang Alex Stockton. As Abadam hits the second. 113 to 108.
It's really the defensive prowess of La Salle, no?
And this is going to be a cardiac finish for these two teams. Santos looks for the opening. No look. Magdenberg will try. 3-pointers good.
Big shot from the big guy.
The former Ateneo Blue Eagle drills a 3.
2 points na.
It's now a 2-point game. 113 to 111.
Eto na naman po tayo.
This is the 4th straight close game tonight sa ating tournament. Austria fakes. Balikang Dungo with 7 to shoot. Looking for the open shot. Phillips looks at the clock. He'll launch. He'll fire. Wala!
Nako po, eto na naman.
And a chance for Converge to tie or take a lead with a 3-point play.
Johnny, wide open.
All the way! Blocked by Phillips!
Rejected.
And here comes LaSalle in the fast break. Austria against Stockton. Yes! Woo! Clutch basket for CJ Austria after that emphatic block from Michael Phillips.
What solid screen!
By Kiambao! But wait a minute, a foul called.
Access denied from KQ!
Oh my goodness! And the crowd has fired up late on a Friday night dito sa University of Southeastern Philippines Gymnasium. I thought that was a block by Kiambao pero natawagan ng foul. And there's a coach's challenge from the side of LaSalle.
For a possible clean block.
Goodness me!
That was an emphatic reject successful challenge. And there's that last replay. Take a look at Coach Cholo.
Boom!
And that was an athletic
Grabe.
rejection almost, pero merong contact daw.
For Shawnee.
There was contact spotted. And Shawnee Wilson will be tested at the foul line. And looks like the crowd is cheering against Shawnee. And the shot is good.
Substitution for Converge Fire.
Calm under pressure. Itong si Shawnee.
Oh, tried and tested. But remember, he's shooting 72% during the Philippine Cup. Si Shawnee Winston.
One possession ball game.
Still has one more for Shawnee Winston, trying to cut the deficit to within a 2-point game.
Substitution for Converge Fiber Xers.
At babalik dito si Kevin Racal. And he's going to be sub for defensive purposes for Converge.
Defense offense substitution for Converge. As we have 54.3 seconds remaining in this ball game. Overtime na naman ba to?
Di ko pa masagot ngayon na Coach Cholo as Winston shot. No! And rebound by Phillips. It's a 3-point lead still, one possession game. Converge applying trap on the backcourt. Phillips able to break through. Kicks it out. Tungo hesitates and Kiambao almost slip. Abadam big shot.
Backbreaker!
Dagger shot for EJ Abadam. Timeout. Woo! Converge Fiber Xers. And there's our replay at sa inyo ng the Royal Manea Hotel on the dagger 3 for Abadam. 37 seconds remaining. Racal looks for the open shot. They have to make an opening. Santos with 13 to shoot. Launches. No! And a rebound by LaSalle. Here comes Kiambao for the layup. Yes!
Pumasok!
It's an 8-point lead. Shawnee for 3. No! And that will do it. The De La Salle Green Archers with a come from behind victory against the Converge Fiber Xers. What a performance for the De La Salle Green Archers as they win this one by 8. And there's that replay. Hatid sa inyo ng Genesis 88 Construction.